Here is our workflow of sending cryptocurrency from one address to another. Remember that once the transaction is broadcasted, we start asking Blockchain Explorer to get confirmations. Do you see any problem here? I don't think that any Explorer service would like us to constantly make requests. This way we can be easily blocked by rate limit. It will be much safer for us to wait, let's say, for 5 seconds between requests. In workflow code, we can't use native PHP sleep function to stop the flow and wait. Instead, we should use special temporal timers. If we want to wait in the workflow, we call workflow timer and provide number of seconds we want to wait. Let's say we want to wait for 5 seconds here. Where should we place the timer? I think it makes sense to put it here, before we make the request. Chances high that right after broadcasting there will be no information in the blockchain. And don't forget to add yield. Now let's test it. Open Blockchain Explorer activity and let's randomize the output. Let's say that the number of confirmations is a random number between 0 and 1. OK, run the workflow. I think we are waiting for timers. It's done, and now let's see what had happened. Here we have the execution plan of our workflow. You can see there were several attempts with timers. The first one, where activity returned 0, then the timer. Then the second attempt. Here the activity returned 1, and the workflow finished. So this was an example of using timers to wait for something in the workflow.